Nyojong and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be reacting to a Hmong horror short film titled Bei Mu J. Um, now, if you are not Hmong or you don't understand Hmong, you might be wondering why is there three there? So in the Hmong language, three. So the way we say the number three and the word for us is pronounced the same. Bei. So E all bei. So when you count E all bei, so three, one, two, three. And when you're talking about three of you guys or a group of you guys, and you say, "Hey, let's go." Bye. They move. So bei. So that's why they use the number three. Bei mu j. So it's kind of like let's go home. Us go home. But yes, anyways, hopefully you guys enjoy this and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you do. Also, uh, I haven't watched this, so I don't know if they'll be speaking in Hmong or in English. But let's do this. Let's do this. Here we go. Bei Mu J. Okay. So they. So my guess is that they were partying, and the dude is drunk, and so he's taking his buddy home, which is smart. Don't drink and drive. If you drink, don't drive. Okay, here we go. Was that a Toyota Corolla or Camry?
Bro, where we going?
I'm gonna take you to my house. You live too far. You can just crash at my place tonight.
Are we crashing on your place too? Or are we taking it home?
Bro, you're drunk. There's no one else with us.
They're in the back seat. Let's take them home.
You're talking nonsense, man. You're drunk. Go back to sleep.
Let me pause it right there. I think I might have to turn off my. Well, I can't turn off my light because if I turn off the light, then you guys can't see me. But there's like a glare. Like I'm right under the light, so there's a glare. So when it's dark like this, you guys can see well because you guys are watching the screen. But for me, it's kind of hard for me to see when it's all dark. So I'm trying to see here, but sorry guys. It's always like it's always a woman ghost, right? The ghost is always a woman. That's crazy. She's gone. Hey man, she needs an Uber. She's like, let me crash at your place too. So okay, so he is at his apartment or his place, maybe his apartment or his house.
She's too drunk. There's no one in the back.
Hold on, let me find. I want to see how they do this. Did they cut and did they edit this in the post? How did they do this? Bro, dude is bogus, man. He just left his buddy in the in the what you call it in the on the sofa. And did he even give him any blankets? Hold on, let me rewind back. Damn. No, man. Oh wait, no. There was a blanket conveniently uh, right there for him. Okay, so he did give his friend a blanket. Okay, he didn't even fix it nicely too. Wow.
She's too drunk. There's no one in the back.
So what she said was, so what the ghost said was, Beta J Lo, Beta J Lo. So she's saying like like we made it home, like that. That's basically what she was saying. Beta J Lo. Like she was asking, like, are we home? J. So I guess that's the ending. Coming thing. It's nice. Main actor Rose. Oh, okay. Rose Vane is a ghost. New Jai Chain. Drunk friend. Host friend. Mei Nu Ying. Jared Lore is a door. What the hell? Jared is a door. What the hell? What door? This door? There's so many doors. The first door or the car door? This is this is inside right here. The door. Okay. But I just want to go back to this. There are some pretty freaky shot, like no, freaky not in that way, but like in a horrifying way. Bruh, come on, my PC, bro. My PC is like $700, bro, and they don't work too well, bruh. Is my PC just slow? What the hell is going on? Okay, I just want to go back to this shot, the shot with her in the back seat. Yeah, this shot right here is pretty terrifying. And then no, this bathroom shot too. But it's I would have to say though, it's is it scary? It's all right. I think the what you call it, the sound is good though, like but it's all right. Yeah, this shot is actually pretty scary. Imagine seeing this, man. Oh hell no! And this shot too. Imagine. But yeah, that's it for Beimu J. So, and if you guys are curious, I think he. So let me go down to the description here. Excuse me. Beimu J, pronounced Beimu J, a quick 3-minute short horror film based on Hmong superstition and personal experience. When leaving anywhere and there's only two of you, you cannot say Beimu J, indicating there is three of you. There are three of you. By doing so, you are unknowingly inviting anything to come home with you to make it three. A buddy and I were coming back home from a party. The following conversation in the video ensued. I never saw a ghost or anything that night, but that has never stopped me from wondering what if something had followed us home that night? Yeah. Yeah, so okay, yeah, so a little quick, I guess, Hmong, Hmong language explanation. So Beimuje indicating three or more. So you would say Lo Beimuje is when there are three or more. When it's just you two, you and another person, then you would say U, which you translate to English, it's also us. Yeah. So, but in Hmong it's like specific, right? Like if there's only two of you guys, then you would say Lo U Muje, indicating only two of you. But if you say Lo Bei Muje, Bei meaning there are three or more, like they say, what's that word? Two's a group? No, two's a group, three's a crowd, or is it two's? Forget it, man. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy that. If you do, like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reaction videos.